My name is Jacqueline Jere Folotiya, and I am from the University of Zambia in the Department of Psychology. Within the Department of Psychology, we have the Center for Promotion of Literacy in Sub-Saharan Africa. In Zambia, we have very low literacy acquisition levels. So children in the early grades really struggle to acquire basic literacy skills. So one of the things we were trying to do with this project was to see how, through this intervention, we would help solve that problem. We used a game called Grapho Game. We brought it to Zambia and we basically adapted it, and we administered the game to learners, second grade learners, in the local language, because one of our education policies is that children should learn how to read in the local languages. One of the major outcomes of the intervention, which we were really excited about, is that there was definitely an improvement in the performance of learners in the intervention group in comparison to those in the control group. And the second, I think, interesting finding also was that the girls performed particularly better than the boys. And thirdly, and I think this is really key, especially from a rural context, that the attitude of the teachers towards ICT really improved from the time we started working with them up until the end of the project. So I think through the project they were able to see how important ICT is in education and how it can be used to help learners acquire reading skills. And even for themselves as individuals, they were able to see how they as teachers could benefit from, being able to access the internet, for example, from being able to, use some of the information they can find on the internet for lesson planning, or how they can even self-study, using information from the internet. So I think for us that was really huge.